I need help. I hope she hears the bell.
That's Carol's emergency bell. Carol, are you okay?
Oh, you heard the bell. Thank God.
Yes, help is on its way.
Oh, good. I don't think I can move.
Hi, my name is Leslie Salas. In this video, Carol called a trusted neighbor for help. She called not using a cell phone and not using an emergency alert button. Instead, she called for help using a simple wireless doorbell. Carol had the button, and her neighbor had the bell part. The doorbell for help that Carol used cost only $18.50. It has a range of up to 150 feet, so it can be heard instantly in a neighbor's home. We are offering this idea to you as a gift so that you may help keep your family safe. The Doorbell for Help idea is part of a comprehensive program being written by my colleague, Camille Phillips. Camille's ongoing comprehensive program is designed to minimize injuries from accidental falls and to prevent falling. Now it is time to develop more educational materials, including one documentary about fall prevention and injury reduction from falls. If you believe in this important work, please support her work by making a contribution. In appreciation for your donation, we will send you a guide by email entitled Doorbell for Help or Your Personal Panic Button. It contains ways to use a simple wireless doorbell to protect your loved ones. We will have more useful ideas for you in the future. Thank you for watching this.